How can I create a notch for the Eaves boarding in the rafter system? A way that is often used is to simply punch the area. But then we would have a problem in this valley. So we can, for example, mark those and just show them. Then we could create a section on this rafter. Yeah, and then we could just punch it. But so some other customers use the 3CAD and 3CAD editing, but then again we would have a problem with this valley. So the correct and easy way to do is to go to the general program options. So in here we click on evaluation, then roof, and here is the Eaves boarding ridge shortening. So in here we can click on create Eaves boarding, and here you can adjust the thickness, and also we can create the length allowance for it, and here we can also shorten the vertical cut at the ridge. So it would be half of a centimeter. Then we close it. And now we have to calculate it again. So we can calculate the processings, and then the notch for the Eaves boarding will appear, and also here we can see some space. So if you calculate it for all visible members, here you can see and also here you can see there's space for it. Alright, if you want to save it just for this project, this setting, you go back to the general program options, and here you can save it. So we go to save, and then again save it. And if you want to save it for every future building project, you can also save it as a template. So we go to save as a template, and here again it's very important, and always remember the name must stay the same.